Welcome to AI Code News.
What if I told you the most powerful programming AI isn't from OpenAI, and it's about to be released? We've got our hands on some fascinating leaked industry intelligence, and it changes everything. Anthropic is about to unleash a storm on the AI world with their next-generation large model, Claude Sonnet 5, internally codenamed Fennec. This isn't just another incremental update. This new model is being hailed as the strongest programming model in history, and it's designed to solve the biggest pain points for developers today. We're talking about a dimensional strike on performance, price, and a completely new way of building software. Let's dive into the leak. First off, the intel confirms that Claude Sonnet 5 has been deployed on Google's infrastructure and is ready for imminent release. This is a crucial detail. Anthropic has been training and optimizing this model directly on Google's powerful TPUs. This strategic partnership isn't just about cloud storage. By leveraging Google's custom-built AI hardware, Anthropic has managed to achieve unprecedented levels of optimization. This translates directly to faster inference speeds and, more importantly, significantly lower operational costs. This is the foundation for the massive disruption we're about to discuss. Let's talk performance. This is where things get crazy. Claude Sonnet is technically Anthropic's mid-range model series, but according to the leaked internal benchmarks, Sonnet 5 has surpassed the current flagship model, Claude Opus 4.5. Think about that. The mid-tier model is now more powerful than the top-tier model. It's beating it in reasoning, code generation, and complex problem-solving. This isn't just a small bump. It's a generational leap that completely redefines what we can expect from an AI model, regardless of its tier. But performance is only half the story. The other half is a direct attack on your wallet, in a good way. Thanks to that Google TPU optimization, Anthropic is slashing prices. The expected inference cost for Sonnet 5 is a staggering 50% less than Opus 4.5. This is a dimensional strike. You're getting flagship-beating performance for half the price of the previous flagship. This makes advanced AI accessible not just to large enterprises, but to individual developers, startups, and students. It's a move designed to aggressively capture market share and set a new standard for value. Now, let's talk about a feature that will completely change how you code, the context window. Sonnet 5 boasts an ultra-large, 1 million token context window. What does that mean? It means you can feed it an entire project's codebase, tens of thousands of lines of code, documentation, and config files, all at once. Forget pasting small snippets and hoping the AI understands the bigger picture. Sonnet 5 can swallow your entire legacy system, understand the global architecture, and perform complex refactoring or feature additions with complete context. It's like having a senior engineer who has memorized every line of your code. But how do we know it's actually good at coding? The proof is in the SWE-Bench score. This is the gold standard for measuring AI programming capabilities, testing models on real-world GitHub issues. Claude Sonnet 5 didn't just beat the record, it smashed it. The previous highest score was 74.4%. Sonnet 5 achieved an unbelievable 80.9%. This isn't just solving simple puzzles, it's independently fixing bugs, running CI/CD pipelines, and identifying regression issues. It's performing the daily tasks of a human software engineer with terrifying accuracy. Now for the most disruptive feature, Swarm Mode. This is where Sonnet 5 goes from being a tool to being a team. You don't just get one AI assistant, you get an entire self-organizing development squad. Imagine a central commander agent that takes your high-level requirement. It then automatically spawns specialized sub-agents, a front-end developer for the UI, a back-end developer for the API, a QA tester to find bugs, and a database specialist to model your data. These agents work in parallel. The front-end agent builds a React component, while the back-end agent writes the Python API to support it. They communicate, check each other's work, and can even self-reproduce new agents if a task becomes too complex. The result is a complete, functional module, delivered with a professional project summary and execution report. It's an industrial-level output from a team that never sleeps, never takes a coffee break, and costs a fraction of a human team. What do you think? Is Claude Sonnet 5 the OpenAI killer? Will you make the switch for that 50% price drop and Swarm Mode? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more breaking AI news.